Hey, Carmine, you alright? You're awfully quiet.
Someone's gotta be, with Baird yapping all the time.
Oh, I could gag him if you like. Be my treat.
Remind me why we thought Hanover was a good place to look for supplies?
Baby, you gotta trust the coal train to find the goods. This is my turf, Cougar's territory.
Yeah, 'cause that's gonna count for a lot right now. Okay, 7-0, we'll call you back if we find something.
Roger that. Good hunting.
So this is home, eh, Cole?
Classy. Has it changed much since you've been away?
Hey, the whole damn world looks like this. Let's move out.
Whoa, whoa, take a look over there. I'm guessing that used to be a stranded outpost.
Ugh, somehow I don't think he died of natural causes.
Oh, really, Doctor?
Yeah, call it a woman's intuition.
Told you this is gonna be a waste of time.
There's gotta be more outposts around here. Let's keep looking.
I'm telling you, this place is crawling with freaks. You know what stalks mean? Polyps.
We haven't seen polyps for months. Relax. Oh, man, look. That house over there. I can see us, you and me. A couple of kids, a dog.
Yeah, a great big bottle of suicide pills.
Well, that'll save me poisoning your dinner.
Yeah, you'll miss me one day.
Only if somebody bumps my elbow.
Ha, ha, ha.
Hey, you down there! Step into the light and do it slow. Try anything dumb and we'll blow your heads off.
Everybody chill. Relax, my man. Safety's on.
Hey, it's the cog coming to civilize us. Ah, whoopee!
Yo, we're all in the same boat. We just want to trade for some food.
Well, we ain't got any spare food. And if we did, we wouldn't be trading it with you cog assholes. Ooh. I'll give you a side of bacon for her, though.
Oh, bacon.
Hey, take the deal, Cole. I haven't had bacon in 6 months.
Thanks, but no thanks. Any other camps around?
Some. You can try the warehouse down at the pier. Or the stadium. Of course you gotta get past all the glowies first, but you hairy-assed heroes can breeze through all that shit.
Kinda antisocial, aren't they?
It's pronounced assholes.
Come on, we still got options. There's even an old grocery store around here. Let's see if my coupons are still good. Damn shame we ain't got Jack to rip that gate. I miss that little guy.
Hey, he isn't scrapped yet, okay? Just looking for a power supply for him. He'll be better than new before you know it. Let's just open this the Delta way.
Hey, Burn, why don't you hop on and I'll give you a push?
Yeah, you know what? No thanks.
We've got a live one!
hell that is? That's a new world record in ugly.
Watch the stars!
Shoot the pods!
Too harsh on the polyps. I kind of prefer them to these new glowies. Cole, you sure you know where the grocery store is? I mean, when you were a big thrashball star, didn't you have people for that?
Yeah, one of them must have told me where it was when I was getting my manicure. Keep it moving. Yo, the store should be just up ahead. Let's cut through here. Dibs! Carmine, look out!
Whoa! That was close.
Bridget!
Let's get inside the store before more glowies show up.
You ever feel like you did, but nobody told you? Okay, let's see what they got on special this week.
Righto. Where's the coffee?
Where's the bacon?
Come on, let's work our way to the back. Look for anything useful.
Okay, Baird, now we've got polyps. Happy?
Yeah, ecstatic.
Incoming storm! Never get between a woman and a bargain.
It's go time, baby! I got a shutout going, baby! Come on! Not your day, motherfucker!
I'm out!
Coal train runs at whole grain, baby! Whoa!
Dibs here! Oh, yeah. Check out the cool new hat. Shoot the pie!
Clean up on aisle 5.
Oh, the cold train 10, baby! Let me see. Glowies, nothing! Ah!
Never saw you play, Cole. Must have been quite something.
You know, I'm still am, baby. You know, I just gotta get back into training.
Yeah, can we just find the beans now? Preferably without the free glowy bonus pack. Nothing back here but another door.
Well, let's check it out.
Oh, shit! There's a locker in the way!
Okay, start looking for a way to move it.
Oh, nice. That's handy.
Not you. I know what happens when you let an angry chick loose with a mechanical loader.
Hey, we might be in luck for a change. This stuff could be usable.
Call the KR-70. We request a grocery evac. We struck gold, son.
Roger that. The LZ's crawling with glowies, though. Give us a hand clearing them out, will ya? We'll drop a smoke to mark the pickup area.
You got it. Come on, let's get this stuff outside. This ain't our lucky day.
Hey, I see
Try
the green
another.
smoke!
Shit, wrong door. We can't get down that way.
Yo, another stock! Let's have some covering fire!
Those things are gonna be all over us! Let's clear the LZ and get this stuff to the pickup point fast!
Come on, we need to move this car!
Let's use the roller. Incoming snubs!
That's the last of them. Let's drop the supplies and bug out. That fan's in the way.
Nothing the loader can't handle.
Come on! Get the supplies to the smoke!
Okay, KR-70, you're clear for pickup.
KR-70, load secure. Cole, get your guys out of here. We'll cover you.
You heard the man. Time to love him and leave him, baby.